Good one, Brolamau.
Yeah. Is it working? Saved? Nice. Chat, where's the end stream now?
Yeah.
Yeah, basically.
Yeah, we have to go.
Another month
Yeah,
with
it's
the
been
myth, the
good
man,
though.
the legend
I mean, it's
himself.
been real. We've had some
Love
fun.
you,
It's
Coach.
been
Thanks
ups
for
and
always
downs,
being a
but,
friend and making life
We
a
had a
little
lot of
easier
fun
to
while
deal
stream
with.
wasn't working.
And
Yeah.
chat,
We're
you
all
are
pretty
so
solid.
beautiful, every
Yeah.
single one of you. I love you so
We just
much.
went
Kiss
live on the
on
phone
me,
since we were
Esfand.
bored.
Oh, nice.
Each other's company enough, so we were like, well, let's just go live for a second and say what up. Dude, I keep feeling like it's the second time, dude. Volume is low. Turn it up. Turn your speakers up. Hello?
Yeah. Turn up your iPhone.
Like literally just turn up your volume.
Man, the potatoes here are good.
I had
What's
mac
the
and
point
cheese.
of living if Graycen doesn't live?
I would say
Out of 10.
all right, let me take one bite. All right, we'll look at the brisket. All right, before we go, look at that. So, nice, good lean brisket. All right, we're gonna go with this. We're gonna see what it is.
See how it looks. I don't know why the signal's so bad. I have good signal on my phone.
No, we're
I can't tell if it's frozen or if it's my phone. It's the most scuffed screen ever. Can they see it? Is it just frozen? Oh, it is frozen because the chat's moving. So
Yeah,
it's frozen.
yeah. I know. I never had this issue.
Beans. Ayo's chair, what's popping? Keep up the great content.
Hey guys, so me and Minx are streaming downstairs in her channel if you guys want to go watch something because Esfand is not here. Wow, this is clean. This room is so clean. Holy fuck. It's so clean. Anyway. Go watch Minx.
Share stream.
It's just like the-
Somebody messaged. They said, so like whenever the list of all the gifts was in there,
I might be live again. So.
someone responded and they were like, "Man, I'm so glad Miz isn't in this one.
Oh really?
I hate him. I'm so tired of seeing him in these."
Wait, we're live.
Oh, we are. It's working.
Okay, chat. Well, we have to leave now because it took us so long, dude. I don't know why it was. I don't even know what I did. Chat, we're eating barbecue before OT game meeting.
Yeah, what up, boys? Can y'all hear me? One in the chat, if you can hear me.
Go back to chair. Sorry.
Yeah, honestly,
You're looking very handsome today, chat. Smile.
Oh, they can hear it.
We're good. Hold on.
Yeah, my barbecue got cold. I waited so long.
No,
Oh, you haven't ate at all. You haven't
No,
eaten
I was
any of
trying to
that.
get
You
the-
haven't eaten any of that brisket bowl.
No, we're about to leave too. We were just bored, so
we
we
got
got
like
live.
10 minutes or so.
Yeah.
Yeah, we just figured we go live for just a little bit.
Is the meeting streamed? No. Do you get people asking that a lot too?
Yeah, they want me to stream the meeting. They're
People
like,
ask me all the time to stream meetings.
well, we watch the streams.
Yeah.
I mean, we watch you guys. We're basically in the org. Why shouldn't we be in the stakeholder meeting?
Yeah.
Like, we're the viewers. I mean, why should the viewers not be in the stakeholder meeting?
Yeah.
What do you mean? But yeah, we got me, obviously, Esfand, and then of course the legend Graycen right there, and we're just chilling. Graycen hasn't been and had any barbecue really, and so we're trying to take as many opportunities as we have.
Trying to
while
get as
Graycen
many
is here.
different briskets as we can.
Exactly, and so we're trying to do that. This is number one. Graycen, 1 out of 10.
110. I'm gonna give it an 8.5.
Alright, there it is.
This is pretty good.
I would say this: if you take this sides, like we're not gonna say where we're at, but like probably tell later on. But like, if you include the sides, I would say this meal was an 8.5. Yeah, 8.5,
You
maybe
give it
even a
8.5?
maybe even a 9.
I think here's my issue. Need bigger portions.
Uh-huh.
I think.
It is kind of like a.
That's a third of the-
Like I'm fine with it right now because I'm not like crazy hungry or
Yeah.
anything, but it is a bit of a small meal.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If there was like 30% more, but I guess we got the smaller plate, didn't we?
Usually a quarter pound, a third pound. Like this is a third pound brisket.
Yeah. I don't know. I feel like.
I could have ate like 30% more. Probably.
Yeah, I could have gotten like a double the meat.
No, we ain't at Bill Miller's.
Yeah. You had my heart a long time ago. Thank you. That's good though, chap. Here's some zip. Oh frick. Damn.
Look at these beans.
Dude, I just lost like a quarter of.
Half your food.
Yeah.
These beans. Look at these beans. This is some good fucking beans right here. You just look at this. Some guy says, "Fuck you, Graycen."
Thanks, Ross. Thank you. Dude, my viewers will go into like your stream and they'll say like, "Who the fuck is this guy?" Or something like they'll just like shit on me.
Yeah.
They would do that when I raided with Asmon too.
Yeah.
They would do that all the time, and I'm my own viewers.
My viewers, we used to have a bet how fast Graycen could die in AQ.
Dude, the trash. There was one trash where you had to like, you'd kill the guy and then you'd have to move in or you'd have to run away. Do you know what I'm talking about? It was up to the.
It was the
boss
20
with
amps.
the warlock would have to tank it.
Yeah,
going
it
to
was
that
after
one.
20 amps. Whenever you would kill the mind flayers, and then whenever they would die, they'd fear everybody.
Yep. And I would zone out during trash.
And
all
then you
the
get
time.
feared in other packs, and you die.
That was good.
I would die on that trash all the time.
Yeah. Yeah, that trash was that's probably the worst stretch of trash in all of Classic WoW. Probably the
Dude,
worst
I
stretch.
swear the current trash.
Just wait till you get to Burning Crusade with
Dude.
Black Temple.
Burning Crusade trash.
Oh, Black Temple trash.
Shade of a comma to Terran Gorfing.
I hate TK trash, dude.
Really?
This is hard.
TK to Void Reaver, the Void Reaver trash is
Oh,
so
with the
like,
packs.
obnoxious. Where you have the mana shrub and everything.
It's
You
not.
haven't
It's
even
not
done
nearly
this
as
tier,
bad.
huh? You haven't done this tier at all, Asmon.
I did a little bit of it. Now I remember doing it back in the day. I remember my guild was so shit they couldn't even get to Void River.
Really?
That's what the guild.
Back in the day, I think my guild.
They call it Loot Reaver.
Yeah.
Definitely. Yep.
I killed Lady Vosh back in the day, but I didn't kill Kel'Thas. Which is funny because in Classic, Kel'Thas is the easy one.
Oh, over Bash?
Yeah.
Yeah. Bash the MCs and stuff like that. Dude, but people like find such gimmicky ways to do things with like the seedlings, so they like soak the MCs and stuff like that.
Yeah.
Or there was,
It's
oh
way
my
different
god,
now.
you remember AQ with the one boss where you'd get the sacks? They would just cheese that so hard with the sacks.
We'd all farm out those venom sacks that
Yeah,
trade
the
them out.
venom sacks and you just use them.
Yeah. On
Viscidus.
Viscidus.
Yeah, that dropped my
Well,
weapon.
also that, and also everybody going engineering and stuff just to be able to pop that off. So, yeah. One thing to talk about is WoW. No, it's not even true. It's okay. We talk about a lot of other things, but Season of Mastery is starting tomorrow.
True.
And that'll be.
I will be playing.
As
Are you gonna play
play.
tomorrow?
Yep.
Really?
Yep.
Are you gonna be on? Are you guys gonna be on the same server then?
Probably not, because I said I was going to be on the server with the with my guild. And
They're
like,
playing on the PvP server.
I don't know if they are or not. If they're playing on a PP server,
With,
I'm
with
not.
Olympus?
Play, no,
Yeah.
play on my server. Obsidian Edge.
Maybe.
Well,
Chat.
you don't want to play on a PvP server, do you, Asmongold?
No, I will not play. I won't
Yeah.
be server.
Chat. So here's what we're doing. It's been like a long time, over 2 years since we've done anything like this. I want it to be like a fun community sort of thing. We're gonna make a guild on Obsidian Edge, and you get Classic. You pay for your WoW sub, download World of Warcraft Classic, Vanilla, whatever. Go to Seasonal. You can already make a character. Make a character on Obsidian Edge Alliance, and then the servers open up at 5 o'clock tomorrow. So it's gonna be a straight up content everything.
It's a normal server too. It's not PvP. So
Yeah.
Maybe you could make your character there. Is it Dini and them that are making?
I don't know. I'll have to see.
I don't know. I think everybody else is playing on Jom Gabar.
That's what I heard Chance
Yeah,
talking
yeah.
about.
Jom Gabar is PvP. We're gonna play PvE, and it's gonna be hardcore, Iron Man, whatever.
There's like,
there's
all
whole
of the changes they've made are PvE changes. They didn't really make any PvP changes, so like, why would I want to play PvP? There's no reason.
What
There's
are some of
still-
the changes? Is there no world boss?
Yeah.
I think that's you know what I think is gonna happen. To be honest, I think people are gonna realize how boring it's gonna be to raid without world buffs in like within 2 months. People are gonna be like, oh wait, this was a terrible idea. It's gonna be so boring. But I do think the idea of what we're doing is the hardcore, the Iron Man, whatever. So they came up with their own like. There's like a group of people doing like the Road to Ragnaros hardcore Iron Man. They have like their own rule set. What I'm doing is I'm just not gonna die. Like my plan is to get to level 60 without dying, and then get to level 60, don't die, and try and do MC without dying. If I die, I delete the character.
Dude, I wonder, like, there's no way people are going to do that, right?
Oh.
They're going to beat Rag without dying.
Yeah, that'd be easy.
I feel like
Dude.
there's no way.
The raid
dude.
changes
No,
The
here's what
long
they're gonna
thing
do.
with
in
no
itself-
practice.
Here's what they're gonna do. No, they're gonna have practice. They're gonna level up 2 characters. They'll level up 1 character, and they'll watch what people do.
Oh yeah.
And then, or they'll do it themselves on another character.
Well, I mean to go through and one shot it. Like it'll be a while. If like, cause there's gonna be some people that keep deleting and keep going.
Yeah.
I think to have 40 people going and one shot it is
Yeah.
gonna be hard. But here's the thing, chat. So my plan, if you guys didn't see my video, I'm gonna do this Iron Man, and I'm not doing the same exact rule set as everybody else. Like I'm gonna group with people. I'm gonna take trades. We're gonna make a content guild.
I will
okay?
be taking trades too.
We're gonna RP this thing. I don't know what the name of the guild is gonna be, but I'll need some people who want to be officers and kind of handle some things. I want to have like a leadership council, and then my leadership council, whenever I die, I'm gonna hand the guild off to somebody. We're gonna RP it. Okay. Now, here's what happens: is if you're gonna commit treason, we're gonna waterboard you. Okay, we're gonna drown you, and then you die, and you don't get your Iron Man completed. If you try and steal or thieve, or you don't listen to the king, you're gonna have to duel a priest, and you're gonna get mind controlled and jumped off a cliff, and then you lose your Iron Man. Okay, that's how this works. It's going to be full on rep prio content guild. I'm not like. It's gonna be very different the first time around.
I wonder, how quick is the leveling now? They buffed it quite
I
a bit.
think they said 40%.
40% quests, and also group and dungeon quests are buffed as well.
Yeah.
Wait, so dungeon grinding is a thing?
No, dungeon quests.
Oh.
Yeah. You might get executed in the Gurubashi arena.
You're not doing Iron Man, are you, Asmon?
That's a 0% chance.
You're a warrior, dude. No.
You should do it.
I'm actually a warlock this time.
Oh, really?
I think I'm gonna play warlock. Yeah.
Yeah,
I
I think
just
I
think-
might play something else too.
I just don't really want to play vanilla anymore unless I'm doing this. Try and hit 60 without dying.
That'd be so weird to see you play something that's not both of you. It'd be weird to see you guys play it like a non-warrior, non-paladin.
Yeah.
Just for me, it's not fun. Like I don't like any other classes that much. Like maybe I would play mage or something, but
Crack Monkey, the return for the 4th time.
free Hong Kong.
Yeah. I don't know. What's Blizzard's?
Free
Q
women.
crawlers? Free women, yeah.
But here's the problem: if you do a Blizzard thing and you say free women, they might think it's something else.
Yeah, they're giving them away.
Giving them away.
What do you think? Women don't have any value? You think we can't pay for them? Here at Blizzard, we pay for
Yeah.
women.
No, we'll pay.
Yeah, we buy women here.
bad. I kind of feel bad joking about it sometimes because like most of those people are gone, or at least everybody that we know of that was involved in that is gone. But still, like you can't like it's the jokes are too easy.
Assholes. They're such assholes. Like that's what you get, you know.
Yeah. Graycen shot Alt 6. Do you know his keybind for his ice block is Alt 6?
Yeah, Alt 6.
It's literally the worst
my
keybind
God.
that you could possibly get. The only thing worse would be like Alt 7 to 0. That's the only way you can do this.
Do you think you could press it?
No.
You don't think you
Well,
could
you
Are you
go
double
like this.
jointed?
You go like
I
this,
just go-
right? You go like you're playing like this, and you go like that.
Yeah, well, I
Yeah,
put,
you turn your
so
hand.
my middle finger is always on W, my thumb's on Alt, and then my index goes to 6.
Yeah.
But I keep my middle finger on W while I press it.
Okay.
Yeah.
You guys could press it. I feel like I don't got bigger hands than any of you guys.
No,
Oh,
but my
average
hand don't.
size
My
hand.
hand don't turn that way.
Yeah.
I'm getting it like shoulder action. Yeah. How long have you guys been friends?
I've known Graycen for like maybe 2 years. What do you think? 2
Yeah.
years?
Probably about 2 years.
I've been friends with
BFA.
Graycen for a year, and Asmon for like 4 years.
Yeah, 4 or 5. It's been a while.
Yeah. I press spacebar on my dick. That's awesome, man.
I'm really proud of you.
I'm proud of you, man. That's great.
You should stream
There's not a whole lot of people that can do that.
for one day. You should stream.
Yeah. For one day.
10 minutes.
Or yeah. What time is it?
It's time.
Yeah, we should get going.
It's time.
Okay.
So guys, really hope you enjoyed the stream. It was,
You enjoyed the freezes,
really
the
good
chair
time.
stream, Alinity,
Yeah.
the barbecue.
yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, we saw it. Alinity just randomly showed up at my
Yeah.
house.
That was actually so funny.
Yeah. I guess she was probably just there and she saw my stream was live. That's funny. So, chat, say bye to Graycen. Say bye to Asmon. We'll, Graycen and I might do arenas tonight on my alt channel. And then tomorrow, Let's Go Football is at noon. So football show at noon.
5
And then
p.m. season pass.
5 p.m. Season of Mastery. And then in the middle, we'll probably just do just chatting, or I'll play another game, or maybe I'll play League of Legends again. I don't know. That was fun.
Yeah.
Did you see any of my league?
I saw your play.
Did you see my clip, dude?
I saw
Dude, me
that.
and Rami were owning, dude. Anyway, bye, chat. We'll see you guys. I'll host Minx. Go watch Minx. She's in my house. All right, bye, chat.